So today I'm gonna talk about why I think South Korea is the most racist country in Asia. Now I think most of you know that South Korea, it is one of the most influential country in Asia that have come out of it, and more majority of the West only knows like Eastern Asia, which includes China, North Korea, South Korea, and Japan, and out of these four, China, Japan, and South Korea have done a lot to promote their culture and became somewhat a soft power. Like one of the prime example will be South Korea, as they promoted themselves through their dramas, through their K-pop into whole world, which makes them pretty influential around the world. Now, if we'll talk about why I think it is the most racist country, we all know about K-pop and other things, but do we know about the harsh reality of South Korea? It has one of the most gender pay gaps related issue. With on top of that, male with very low amount of fertility rate. Plus, its population is also decreasing, kind of similar to Japan situation because of the overwork culture. Either work or you die. Now, if we'll talk about the racism here, then actually it is quite common for parents to give fees for plastic surgery to their daughters and son, because looks are a pretty major part of their culture in here. Now I know you get pretty privileges all around the world, it is quite common, but if it becomes the whole out reality of you, then that is somewhat dangerous, which is done by South Korea for a long time. The majority of the time are racist towards specific minority, especially those who has a darker skin or come from Southeast Asia, as these people look down upon Southeast Asia and South Asian countries, thinking of themselves as the superior one. Now, I would have not talked that much about this racism if these two major incidents would have had occurred. The first one is obviously the Seoul incident, which occurred, or the nahi, nahi. I'm talking about the concert incident that occurred 13 days ago, I think so. What happened is a famous K-pop group decided to perform in a Southeast Asian country, and what the K-pop fans did, like the people who were from Korea, they brought big lens camera which were illegal in that country. On due to this, the people belonging to that country were irritated. They complained it to the security there, and when the security decided to do something about it, the Koreans that had brought big cameras started shouting on the security themselves. Now this became into a huge controversy, because someone from that country on Twitter issued shown a video and also talked about it, while one South Korean guy, literally guy or girl, I don't know about the gender of the Twitter user, X user, posted a photo of a chimpanzee with with a caption that how Southeast Asian women are shouting right now, representing that Southeast people are some kind of buffoons and making a mockery out of them. Now, due to this, a war occurred between Korea and a whole Southeast Asia, which led to a huge controversy where literally all of Asia got involved, like the West Asia, South Asia, even India, Pakistan also united to hate against South Korea. These two are fighting, like Pakistan and India are in a huge rivalry, but still they both united to fight against this proxy war in of South Korea, which shows that how much of a racism issue South Korea is facing. Although Japan and China is also pretty racist, I think so. The almost all of the almost all of the East Asia is racist, but I think so that Korea stands the most because of its because it doesn't have that much of politeness culture that Japan has, and they are not that much chill. They are very eager about it. And there are some CCTV footage also where the South Korean tourist literally starts bashing the locals present in that country only just because they look different. And the other thing is related to the island incident which happened to an Indian, which I think so you all have heard. Like he got trapped in an scam related to Jeju Island, where he was literally trapped for more than 24 hours, treated like a criminal, which shouldn't have been done, and he posted a video about it. But no Indian embassy. Now I think Indian embassy and the government should also do something about it, but they are also silent. The South Korean government is also silent because nobody is giving a shit. And the discrimination laws in South Korea are also pretty weak. So which all concludes to a pretty racist country that occurs here. Even though South Korea is pretty developed, and I'm sure not all the people present in South Korea are racist, but still there are quite a lot of them who sees some Pacific minority, especially who looks tanner, or especially who are undeveloped or are developing nations, as inferiority in comparison of them.